Here is how you can make a simple bell animation on Figma. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing that needs to be done is to make sure you paste your bell. You can get your bell from anywhere. I'm going to select the pendulum or the clapper and give it a fill, a black fill to be specific, just to make it look a bit more realistic. And I'm going to rename the bell and give it the bell name to be specific, bell. I'm also going to make this a component using the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K, or you could just right click on your mouse and create components like this. The next step is to make it a variant, so it's going to add another variant. So we're going to make a few changes to how the bells look like. Now I've selected the first bell. I'm going to rotate the bell itself and give it 10 degrees rotation. And this pendulum over here, I'm going to shift it a bit to the left. I'm going to do the exact opposite for the second bell. And now it's time to prototype them together just to make the animation possible. I'm selecting the first bell and linking it to the second one, giving it a delay after delay of 0 or 1 ms rather, and giving it gentle 800 ms. We're good like that. And now we're going to do the same for the second one. And now let's see what our animation looks like. I want to make this white, so I'm changing this to white, then using a black background. Here we go. Here is our bell animation. You can use this in different case scenarios, of course. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I would like if you drop a like, and whatever comments you have as regards what you just learned in this tutorial, I would like you to drop it. Anyways, have a wonderful day. To those